South Dakota's Governor Dennis Daugaard and Senator John Thune toured the western part of their state by helicopter Thursday to see the extent of damage to the region from last weekend's blizzard. The aerial assessment focused on livestock losses. State officials estimate at least 10 to 20,000 head of livestock died in the storm. Some ranchers report losing 50% or more of their cattle. The storm dumped up to 4 feet of snow in areas of South Dakota over the weekend, setting records, damaging buildings, shutting down schools, and bringing transportation to a halt. The state's congressional delegation says they'll push for quick passage of a stalled farm bill through Congress, saying it's the best way to get financial help to ranchers. Carlotta Bradley, The Associated Press.